Enhance the layout of your interior space with the box track glass sliding system. Sliding easily across the door opening, this wall or ceiling mounted hardware kit creates a sleek and elegant aesthetic. It's ideal for use in commercial interior spaces such as offices, conference rooms, sports venues, and casinos. The system is compatible with doors up to 200 pounds with a soft close device and 330 pounds without, between 24 and 60 inches wide and 5/16 to 9/16 inch thick. The base material is aluminum. Multiple finishes including clear anodized aluminum, satin stainless steel, black and white suede powder coats, as well as additional stock powder coats are available. Parts include a 158-inch box track with end cap, a soft open and close device that gently closes the door, extending the life of the hardware and keeping noise to a minimum, and an adjustable roller clamp assembly that can accommodate plus or minus 1/8 inches ceiling to floor dimensional tolerances. The bottom door guide keeps the door aligned and prevents the door from coming off the track. Complete the look with decorative door pulls from Rockwood and bring your glass door opening to the next level.